the axis y as a vertical axis. So first we will draw point of 0 0, then we will give arc that is, I can say 50 mm. Go to fit to screen, say again -50, it is along y direction, and in a z direction again you can give 50, so that it will come downward, then give it negative, then it will come up. Okay, and next is I want to draw as arc. So this is my arc. Okay. Then if this is the center, again I want to draw another arc like this. How I can draw that I want to show you. So go to the point here, transfer this point, say copy this point in z direction, that is the negative z direction 50, where it is positive, sorry, it should be negative, it will come this way. So it is center. Again I want one point here. What I will do, again I will copy this point and I will say 50 -50. Okay, and I will draw one arc, 1 2 3, like this. Suppose I want one circle at midpoint here of 10 mm, -10, 0, 10, -10. You can assume this is a shaft, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, and I will move this circle, that is positive z direction, apply here, and this circle can say positive. So likewise I will get one arc here. Then this point has been shifted, so delete this point, go in point end connection, you will get a separate points here. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to transfer this whole circle in y direction, positive y direction of 100. Okay. So go to shift surface, this point to this point, it is a shift command, and suppose I want to twist this arc along with this line, I want to say rotate. Axis I can specify in terms of vectors, so I can give the axis of these 2 points, middle point, and yes, these 2 points, and I can give the angle. So I can say 30 degree, so it get rotate of 30 degree. Undo. My axis of rotation should be along this axis, so let's see, specified. I can give the point, then you can see it is get twisted. Now what I will do, I will join this curve. Now you can see it is somewhat tilted. Now you can say sweep surface, again give 2 points, point 1 and point 2, arc. Undo. Go to curve driven, because it is somewhat inclined ना? Otherwise what we can do, go to simple surface, 1 2 3 4, curve आ जाएगा, 1 2 3 4, again curve. So you can see this diagram. Okay, it is fine. So it get twisted also. Now you can do like this in number of way. So you can twist in any direction, and you can use this middle part as a shaft, and the remaining part as a blade of any vertical turbine axis. So likewise one can draw a simple geometry in ICM. Thank you.